ज्येष्ठ साहित्यिक आणि ज्ञानपीठ पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ले दामोदर मावजो हांचे हस्तुकी गोवा हेरिटेज फेस्टिवलाचे सूर्यकिरण कांपाल पणजे हांगा उक्तावण जालें। ह्या वेळार जोर्सन फर्नांडीस आनी हेर मानेस्त हाजीर आशिल्ले। ह्या वेळार दामोदर मावजो हांचें व्याख्यान जालें। ह्या व्याख्यानांत गोंयच्या भाशीक कौतिकायेचेर तांणी उजवाड घालो। 500 वर्सां पयलीं गोंयकारांनी केन्नाच कोंकणीक फाट केली ना, पूण आयची परिस्थिती पळयत जाल्यार हुस्केची आसा। सरकार प्रत्येक कामाक कोंकणीक पळयना, मराठीकूय पळयना, फक्त इंग्लीश वापरता। म्हणून ह्या वेळार दामोदर मावजान खंत उक्तायली।
We are happy to release Parbal, the little book that we have got, and I remember in Kukulim so many of them are looking forward for this the moment it came up onto our group over there. Thank you so much for our editor-in-chief and the rest of the people who have put in efforts for this.
तुमचे परमळ आयला आसतलो. Have you seen, do you experience fragrance in the air? It is because of permळ. I strongly believe that loss of a language is loss of a culture. Yes, I uphold multilingualism. It is in the blood of every Goan. But Konkani is the heart of Goa that purifies blood and keeps us healthy and sound. That's what my belief is. There is a solution to every problem. Whereas, well, I don't know whether you realize that I look upon this as a problem, but there is a solution to every problem because I'm an optimistic by nature. But the urge has to come from within. When an egg is broken by an outside force, a life comes to an end. But when it is broken from a force within, a new life begins. So why not make a new beginning and tackle these delicate issues successfully? I am afraid Goa, that is known for an exemplary harmony among different communities, is gradually changing its colors. If we do not take timely measures, the brewing disgust can lead to revulsion, dragging languages into communal and even religious controversy, which is also already has started happening. Such a situation can lead to death of the spirit of Mile Sur Tera Hamara, Hamera Tumara.